EliteDrive Throttle Master improves throttle response, granting instant acceleration when you need it most. By electronically presenting your vehicle's throttle with a range of new mapping reference points, you can introduce more or less throttle response by simply selecting your preferred mode. The EliteDrive Kit comes complete with display screen, adapters, cord and instructions. Installation is easy, just like any plug-and-play style device. The EliteDrive adapter is installed as the gateway between the accelerator pedal and the throttle body to the engine. Ensure your vehicle has been powered down for 15 minutes prior to installation. Unplug your vehicle's original connector and insert the EliteDrive adapter into the original socket. Then insert the original connector into the other end of the EliteDrive adapter. For this installation into a Ford Ranger, we are going to display the EliteDrive unit to the right of the steering wheel by passing the EliteDrive cable through the fuse box cover. Then insert the cord into the EliteDrive display screen. Once connected, you can start the vehicle's engine and the device will work immediately. The EliteDrive Throttle Master can be set to one of the 9 acceleration modes and 70 throttle settings. You will feel immediate benefits to the rate of acceleration and decreased throttle lag to provide you with the ultimate driving experience.